Hi, I'm Joshua Walker, a registered polysomnographic technologist with Star Sleep and Wellness. Today we're going to show you how to use your Wesper sleep study. At your appointment, we'll deliver to you the Wesper sleep study in a case just like this. Inside the box, you'll find each element of your study. You'll have 2 sets of adhesive stickers, 2 biometric patches, a watch, and a finger ring. Each element you see is also a part of the Wesper application that you've downloaded to your phone. Once you open the application, you'll input the key code to get access to the Wesper device. When you hit the Start Test button, you're going to get an icon show up that says, "Can we access your Bluetooth device?" You'll say yes to this, as each element of your sleep study does require a Bluetooth connection. Make sure that all other Bluetooth connections on your device are turned off so that there's no interference with your study. When you hit Start Test at the beginning of your test, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to grab the first biometric patch. You will press and hold the little silver moon button until it connects with the device. You will then take the adhesive patch, open it up, and apply it. Give this roughly a minute to a minute and a half to set onto the patch, then you can place it right under your right pectoral. The second biometric patch, you'll apply the adhesive, then you'll take it in an N shape and place it just over the navel or your belly button. From there, you'll then take a hold of the watch. You'll place the watch on your non-dominant hand. Make sure that it is on tight enough so that it fits snugly against the wrist, but not so tight that it feels as if it's cutting off circulation. The next element of your study is the oximetry ring. You'll take the connection and place it within the port. Then you'll take the finger ring and you can fit it on any of your fingers that you would like. The only finger you cannot put the finger ring on is your thumb. Now you're ready for your night sleep study. Tonight, what we want you to do is sleep for us for as long as you can with the device on. If at any point in the night you wake up and need to go to the restroom, see to a pet's needs or a child's needs, please do not remove any of the equipment from your person, as it will register the test has been completed and we cannot restart or collect any further data from that night. Once the study is complete, you'll hit the Stop Test icon on the Wesper application. 2 loading bars will come up onto the screen. Once those loading bars have cycled, you'll get a green check mark that says Test Complete. Once the test is complete, you can then remove everything and get set for the next night. You'll then repeat all of the steps that we did for the first night for the second night of sleep. Again, on the second night, sleep as long as you can for us so that we can get the most accurate study possible.